Hello, my name isญสมบ
Hello, my name is Thitinon Sutisanon. Today we're gonna present the project of dynamic, the greatest subject. So let's start. This slide show the topic that we choose. We choose the second topic, which is the halfway line football shot. The expected output of this topic is to find the linear impulse. 2. To plot the 3D graph of the trajectory. 3. To discuss the effect of drag force on the ball. So, the next slide is the equation and variable in our project.
These are equations and variables that we use to calculate our project.
In x-axis, we have to find the velocity equation. So we use the Newton's equation to help us to find the equation of velocity. So you can see that the velocity in x-axis is shown on this, and then we use the equation of velocity to find the displacement equation in x-axis. We use the first equation of us and make it to derivative. So after we integrated it, we can find the equation of our displacement as shown.
In y-axis, we use the same way to find the velocity and displacement equation before. And this is displacement equation that we find.
About the velocity that we use, after we see the video of Charlie Adam that kicked the halfway shot in the match of Stoke City with Chelsea, we know that the time that he takes is about 2 or 3 seconds, but it's in the way of the ball is spin. But in this question, the ball does not spin. So we assume that the velocity that he takes is about 25 meters per second. So we use that velocity to be in our calculation, and we have to random the value in x-axis and y-axis because some of value can't make the ball go toward the goal. And after we random many of the value, we selected the velocity in x-axis is 23.95 and velocity in y-axis is negative 7.17, and we use these two values to find the time of the motion.
In this slide, we find the displacement in y-axis. So the value is 2.22 meter. So this value is less than 2.44 meter. So the ball will fly towards the goal. That means the velocity that we use is correct in y-axis and x-axis. In this slide, we use the velocity and then to calculate the velocity initial.
After we find the initial velocity, we use it to find the impulse as shown on the slide. About the effect of drag force, if the drag force is come in our motion, it will curve the motion is more difficult. So its motion will not belong to the projectile motion because the drag force curves the deceleration to the motion. This is why it is the drag force effect.
Thank you.
Thank you.